Hello, this week we've been talking about the SWAT conceal tool. Goes in the steerer tube, not in the stem like I said before. So, nice simple tool, it's handy to have. That's inside of it. You've got several length bolts, the different length for the steerer tube, so if you can see it. The different lengths of steerer tube. Really simple to fit. What I like about it, down the bottom here, you've got a little attachment to hold spare links, master links. On this bit, that bit goes in there, goes all the way through, and that can form a chain breaker. So should you have an incident with your chain, screw it all the way back, take all this off, chain in now, push pin out the chain, sort your chain out to a length to make it rideable. And then, best bit, what I like about it, you knock out the star nut, the steerer tube, and then this will pop down, that will pop up from underneath, but then this bit here, it's got a nice little set of tools, pretty basic tools to carry with you. I always had to carry a couple of sort of multi-pack tools anyway, those little Allen key sets stuff. I've got a part tools and a toe peak one. Don't really need two of them, but I do, I just panic. So yeah, got a nice little range of bits on now. It's really simple to fit, and it's quite expensive, about £100, but it looks smart. It replaces the top cap basically. And yeah, that's it. I'll do a little video of setting it up. So enjoy the video. So if you like these videos, please like them and share them, and I'll try and put more up. So here comes a video of me fitting. Like, share and enjoy, and always wear a helmet. So we go with the fitting. Remember, top cap off, star nut out. Normally a socket extension will get that out with a bit of a hammer out, then that'll free up all that area. Put that bit in the top, get the right size Allen bolt for your steerer tube, that bit on, master links on, up through the bottom, that's not quite in, a little bit fiddly, hopefully that's got it. There we go. Get your multi-tool, drop the Allen bolt from the bottom, fairly tight, that around, multi-tool in, cap over, bosh, done. Sorted. Simple as that. It's a great little multi-tool to carry. Like I said, I do carry a part tool one as well, MT40 I think it is, or ME40, and a toe peak. But yeah, simple as that. It's a nice little multi-tool to have in case you do forget your other multi-tools, or if you're just doing a little run to and from work on the bike. Simple as that. As I said earlier on, if you like these videos, please like and share them. Like my YouTube channel, and I'll try and post as more as possible. Always wear a helmet.